Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to scan Wi-Fi QR code in laptop and PC. Let's get started. First is make sure you have internet access. You need a connection first to open a QR scanner site. Use mobile hotspot, connect via internet cable, or use another Wi-Fi. Now to get a QR code on your PC, take a photo of your QR code using your phone and send it to your PC. Or use a webcam to capture it or download the QR image. Now open your browser to Chrome and go to a site like QR Scanner. Click Upload Image and select the QR code image. After scanning, you'll see network name, then password. Connect to Wi-Fi, click the Wi-Fi icon on your PC and select the network and enter the password you got. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.